In this video, you'll learn how to contact support on Indeed. Whether you're running into a technical issue, have a billing question, or just need help navigating the platform, knowing exactly where to go for assistance can save you a lot of time and frustration. I'll walk you through the full process from your dashboard, explain what each option does, and share a few tips to help you get the best possible response from the support team. Let's start on your Indeed dashboard. This is the main screen you see after you sign in, where you manage things like job postings, candidates, or your account information. From here, you'll want to look for the section or menu labeled Accounts. Depending on your layout, this might appear in the top navigation bar or along a side menu, but it will clearly reference your account settings or account management. Go ahead and click on Accounts. This takes you into the part of Indeed where you can manage details related to your profile and settings. Inside this area, you'll see several options and links related to your account. What you're looking for now is the Help Center. This is Indeed's central place for documentation, troubleshooting, and connecting with support. Once you see the Help Center link, click on it. The Help Center will open in a new page or tab, and you'll be presented with a search bar along with categories or popular topics. This is where you can often solve issues quickly on your own without needing to wait for a reply from the support team. At this point, it's a good idea to search for your specific issue. In the search bar, type a few clear keywords that describe what you need help with. For example, you might search for things like billing, job posting not visible, or cannot log in. Try to keep your search terms simple and direct. The Help Center will then show you articles, guides, or frequently asked questions related to those terms. Take a moment to skim through the results and open any articles that seem closely related to your problem. Many common issues are fully covered in these help articles, including step-by-step fixes and explanations. If you find one that addresses your situation, follow the instructions carefully and then check if your issue is resolved. If you don't find what you need in the search results, or if your issue is more specific or account related, look for the support options within the Help Center. This might appear as links or buttons labeled something like Contact Us, Support, or Get Help. Click on the option that lets you reach out directly to the support team. From there, you'll see a way to submit a request if needed. This usually means filling out a form where you describe your issue in detail. When you submit a request, be as clear and specific as you can. Mention what you were trying to do, what happened instead, and include any relevant information like error messages or timestamps, but avoid sharing sensitive details such as passwords or payment information. Once you've filled in the form and reviewed the details, go ahead and submit your request. After that, keep an eye on your email or your Indeed account messages for a response from support. And that's it. By going to your dashboard, opening accounts, clicking Help Center, searching for your issue, and using the support options to submit a request if needed, you'll be able to contact Indeed support efficiently whenever you need help.